To have a happy marriage, you should
order Chinese food,
play around with each other, share really, really big secrets.
They should go,
and just follow the gospel.
Bowling.
I don't know. Hi, JC, I love you. Sometimes you fight, but try to not and try to be nice. Yeah, if they got in a fist fight, I think JC would win. I think JC and TJ should have 12 kids. I think they should have 17 kids. I don't know. I already have to deal with 4 siblings, but I think you could 2. I think they should have 3 more dogs. I like TJ, he's nice. I'm excited to have JC in our family because he's so sweet to us. But she's probably going to be stubborn to TJ. Sometimes though, because sometimes you get mad. Well, for me, lots of times, but for them, sometimes, I'm pretty sure.
Well, they should always tell each other that they love each other, and if they get in fights, they should just say sorry and keep on loving each other and notice that they're very lucky to be with each other.
If you ever need a marriage counselor, talk to me. JC, sometimes TJ is stinky, but you should still love him. TJ, my advice for you is to never leave the toilet seat up. TJ, also make sure you brush your teeth all the time and use deodorant.
And as far as advice can go, you guys know that when you get through with your ceremony, you're going to be married for time and all eternity. That's like 300 million years plus. There are going to be good days and there are going to be bad days. All I can tell you is tell your spouse every day that you love them. If necessary, use words. That's all I got.
I'm really happy for you both, and I hope you have a really special day today and remember it forever.
TJ is also an answer to a prayer, to a mom's prayer, because I had prayed the end of September that JC's life would be full of love and happiness, that a young man would come and sweep her off her feet. Now, I don't know if he actually swept her off her feet, but I know she has the biggest smile on her face now. So I am very grateful for answers to prayers, and I love you too with all my heart. And I know if you can be as happy as your dad and I, it's going to be great.
So I know that you ain't hanging around for that. If you grew on trees, the branches on mine wouldn't have no leaves on a shoestring, saving every time. as long as I live, I'll make your life as sweet as I can. I'll move every mountain to be that man that gives you space and a place to land. You wake up smiling, knowing that it's good to be us, good to be breathing day after night after day. This feeling feels the way you should. If this is as good as it gets, then God is better than best. Yeah, we got it made in the shade, in the sun, and love this way. Yeah, we got lucky, baby, we've been blessed. Couldn't ask for more, wouldn't settle for less. It's good to be us. Yeah, it's good to be us.
I guess my advice to you guys is to run. In about an hour and a half, run to the temple. And then once you get out of the temple, hit the ground running. And then when hard times are there, run into each other's arms.
What I would say to you both, be the first to say I'm sorry. You may not think it's your fault, but somewhere along the way, you had a part in it. And the quicker you say I'm sorry, don't go to bed angry at each other. Say I'm sorry and love each other. And like Jerry said, sometimes say it too.
Always remember this day and love each other. I'm very proud of you. Love you, TJ. Love you, JC. Good luck on getting married.